everyone, today I'm gonna unbox the Boltune wireless Bluetooth earbuds. I've already opened this before, so this will be a second time for me. Let's see how this goes. So as you open the box, this slides out. It's very sleek so far. So first of all, it's the user guide you'll find with instructions on how to pair your device. Then this will be a quick pair guide along with it. You can see how to pair it and how to put it on in your ears, and what else comes with it. So once you open that up, have a USB-C charging cable, as you can see here, along with some extra earbuds that you can use if you want a different size or something. So that's pretty good, because I know some people have bigger ears, some people have smaller ears, and some people prefer the bigger versus smaller, or the other way around. So then you get to the meat of the product, which is the earbuds themselves. So I think it's a pretty tiny compact case. It doesn't weigh that much, it's very light, so I'm sure it's easy to carry around. And once you open this up, what is really cool is that it blinks and it says connected. I don't know if you could hear that, but it said connected because I've already paired it with my phone. I can see that on my phone it's already connected. You can see this icon here, it says connected. So that's the great part about this. I also have Samsung Galaxy earbuds, but you have to go into the app to connect it, but this one they're already connected by itself. So that's a really cool thing. Let me play something for you guys to see if you can maybe hear what's going on, or like try and see the quality. Might be hard, but let's see if it works. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's pretty loud. And that's the great part about these. They're really loud and the bass is really nice. So those are the two things that I really like about these. The only tiny complaint I have is maybe they go too deep in my ear, but maybe I can change that with a bigger earbud cover. Maybe I'll try that and see how that goes. But apart from that one tiny complaint, I think these have been really good, because the Galaxy earbuds that I have, they cost me more than $100 and the quality is not as good as this. The only thing I can think of that's might be better with the Galaxy earbuds is the comfort. There's more comfort, doesn't feel as clogged. But I think once I try the different earbuds here, I might be able to get more comfort. Also, one thing I forgot to show you guys is once you open this up, you can also get an extended warranty from 12 to 30 months. So that's a really good time frame. You can extend your warranty from 1 year to basically 2.5 years, which is, I think, a great feature that they have, because even Samsung doesn't offer that long a warranty, you know. So I think if you're looking for something durable, something that'll last you a long time, and something that's within your budget, I would highly recommend these earbuds to you. Thanks.